learn some more comparisons like left and right. Children, can you raise your hands and show me which is your right hand and which is your left hand? Yes, this is our right hand and this is our left hand. Yes, right hand, left hand. So now most of us, everybody use right hand for writing. Here we have stick ice cream, cone ice cream and a chocolate. Where is stick ice cream? Stick ice cream is to the left. And where is chocolate? Chocolate is to the right. And in between we have cone ice cream. Yes, children, understood? Stick ice cream is on the left side. Stick ice cream is on the left side. And chocolate is on the right side. So this is our right hand and this is our left hand. Next we will go to next one. Big and small. Here you can see two houses. Yes, you can see two houses. One house is big and the other one is small. So we can compare things by looking at them. Like this house is big and this one is small. Here I have a sketch and a crayon. Can you say which one is big? Yes, sketch is big, crayon is small. Size we can find out. Sketch is little long and crayon is short. Next we have before, after and between. Before, after and between. You can see three fruits here. Apple, mango and grapes. Apple, mango and grapes. Where is apple? Apple is in front of mango. Before mango. Before means in front. Before means in front. After means back. After means back. So where is apple? Apple is in front of mango. Apple is in front of mango. Where are grapes then? Grapes are back of mango. So it is after. Grapes are after mango. And which fruit is in between, children? Yes, mango is in between. Mango is in between. Once again, children, apple is in front of mango. So before, we call it as before. Apple is before mango. Grapes are after mango. Grapes are after mango. And mango is in between. Mango is in between. Now next we have long and short. Next what we have? Long and short. You can see here. We have a pencil and a crayon. Can you say me which one is long and which one is short? Yes. Pencil is long and crayon is short. Here I have scale and sketch. Which one is long, children? Yes. Scale is long, sketch is short. So, pencil is long, crayon is short. Next we have up and down. You can see two fruits here. Mango and banana. Which fruit is up, children? Yes. By seeing you can say mango is up and banana is down. Yes. Now we can learn this up and down using our body parts. Now raise your hands up. Yes, this is up and this is down. Raise your head up. This is up and this is down. Understood, children? Left and right. Repeat after me. Left and right. Stick ice cream is to the left side. Chocolate is on the right side. Big and small. By seeing we can compare. Here by seeing we can say that this house is big and the second house is small. Come on, say before, after and between. Apple is before mango. Grapes are after mango. Mango is in between. Mango is in between. Long and short. Here we have a pencil and a crayon. By seeing we can find out pencil is longer, crayon is shorter. Up and down. Mango is placed on the top, up. Banana is placed down, up and down. This all you should draw neatly in your classwork. Now open your textbook, page number 12. Open your textbook, page number 12. See, you can see here up, left and right. Here we have a t-shirt, towel and a skirt. Where is t-shirt? The t-shirt is on the left of the towel. Towel is in between. Left side we have a t-shirt. Right side we have a skirt. Yes children, you can see 3 shirt, towel and skirt hanging on a row. So on the left side we have a t-shirt. On the right side of the towel we have a skirt. Move to the next one. Near and far. Near and far. Jaya is near the scroll ball. See here we have Pia and Jaya. We have 2 girls, Pia and Jia. So Jia is near the saucer ball. Jia is near the saucer ball. You can see a ball here. Yes. Who is near the ball? Yes, this girl is Jia, is near the saucer ball. Pia is far from the ball. Ball is here. Jia is close to the ball. But Pia is far from the ball. Next we have big and small. Now we have learned long and short, big and small. In the same way we have it here. Big and small. You can see cat and baby kittens. Cats babies are known as kittens. Cat babies are known as kitten. So we can see a cat, and how many kittens are there here children? 3 kittens are there. So which one is big? Yes, mummy cat is big. Babies are small. Kittens are small. Cat is big. The cat is bigger than the kitten. Yes, you can see. Cat is big. Kitten is small. Kitten is sitting on the cat. You can see the size. Cat is big in size. Kittens are small in size. The kittens are smaller than the cat. How is the kitten? The kitten is smaller than the cat. Next we have here before, after and between. Before, after and between. Ram, Harleen and Sana. Here 3 children, they are running. They have a running race. They are running. Ram, Harleen and Sana. Who is in front? In first place Ram. In second place we have Harleen. And in third place we have Sana. 3 children are having a running race. Here you can see Ram is before Harleen. Here is Ram. Where is Ram? Ram is before Harleen. Ram is before Harleen. Sana is after Harleen. Where is Sana? Sana is after Harleen. Now where is Harleen? Can you say me? Yes. Harleen is between Ram and Sana. Harleen is between Ram and Sana. Once again I will explain. Here we have 3 children. They have a running race. So in first place we can see Ram. Then second we can see Harleen. And third we can see Sana. So where is Ram? Ram is before Harleen. Where is Ram? In between we have Harleen. In before Harleen, Ram is running. So Ram is before Harleen. Sana is after Harleen. And Harleen is between Ram and Sana. Now here we have up and down. All like to play seesaw children? Yes. How the seesaw will be? One will be going up, the other one will be coming down. So here we can see 2 children playing seesaw in the park. Aman and Mark. Who are the 2 children playing here? Aman, Mark. Where is Aman? Aman is down. Where is Mark? Mark is up. Mark is going up on the seesaw. Now is Mark. Where is Mark? He is going up. When Mark is going up, Aman is coming down. When Aman is going up, Mark will come down. So this is up and down. In seesaw, when 2 friends sit on seesaw, we will play seesaw now. When 2 children are sitting, one friend will be going up, the other friend will be coming down. So up and down. One is going up, the other one is coming down. When the things which are placed on top, little up position, they are in up. Now some things which are placed down are known as down things. Some things are placed up and some things are placed down. Here two children playing seesaw. They are playing, one is going up, the other friend is coming down. Today's your homework will be, you should draw few comparison children. Your homework will be like this, you should draw neatly few comparisons in your classwork. Once again we will learn, you will repeat after me all these words. Take page number 10 and repeat after me. Top and bottom. How to spell? T-O-P, top, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Go to next one. Tall and short. T-A-L-L, tall, S-H-O-R-T, short. Next, near and far. N-E-A-R, near, F-A-R, far. Above and below. A-B-O-V-E, above. B-E-L-O-W, below. Behind and in front of. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. I-N in, F-R-O-N-T, front, O-F, off, in front of. O-N, on, A-N-D-I, U-N-D-E-R, under. On and under. Now go to next paper, page number 12, open page number 12. Left and right, how to spell? L-E-F-T, left, R-I-G-H-T, right. Next we have near and far, N-E-A-R, near, F-A-R, far. Big and small, B-I-G, big, S-M-A-L-L, small. Before, after and between, B-E-F-O-R-E, before, A-F-T-E-R, after, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Long and short, L-O-N-G, long, S-H-O-R-T, short. Up and down, U-P, up, D-O-W-N, down. Try to read all these words, children, and your homework will be, you will be drawing few comparisons in your classwork like this, left and right. How simple drawing, children. This all you can try to draw on your own. If you are not able to do, you can take your parents' help. Do your classwork very neatly. We are going to check your classwork. So write very neatly. First write chapter name, chapter 1, chapter name, and write the headings. Draw few comparisons. Yes, children, like this you should draw it in your classwork also. Left and right. Write left and right and draw few comparisons. Then write big and small and write few comparisons. Draw before, after and between and draw few comparisons. Like this, long and short, draw. Up and down, draw. Is it clear, children? You all should draw this very neatly. And I will check all your classwork when you come back to school. So do it very neatly, neat handwriting. Thank you, children.